Channel. My name is Nikita Nair, and if you're new here, I hope you stick around, and if you've been here a while, I hope you've liked and subscribed because it gives me motivation to make more content. Also click on the bell icon so that you get a notification every time I post. It's usually on Mondays, but I'm not really sure. In today's video, we're gonna do something related to stuff that is really close to my heart, food. If you follow me on my Instagram, you know that I enjoy cooking, but sometimes I get too lazy. So I've compiled a list of 6 recipes that are super easy to make for all you lazy home chefs or bachelors or people who don't know how to cook. 2 of the recipes I've invented myself in time of need. The rest I found online or on other apps. I woke up an hour ago and I haven't eaten anything and I'm kind of starving right now. So let's get to it.
The first thing we're gonna make is the sandwich I found on TikTok. You take some eggs, put some salt and chili powder in it, and mix it up. Basically make an omelette. Grease a pan and put the eggs in it. Put the bread on top of the eggs before the eggs cook so that the bread sticks to the egg. Flip it over so that the bread gets toasted. Now you can add any ingredients you want. You can add vegetables if you're healthy. I decided to put cheese and sausages. Fold the egg into the bread and fold the bread into a sandwich. And it's ready. And it looks delicious.
We're finally done with the first dish. That's the TikTok sandwich. I am over here again. I'm so glad I put sausages in it. I'm so hungry and it tastes so good. Yummy. I wish there was more chili in it.
Eat. Oh, you have to tell her viewers honestly.
It's good.
No, shit, you have to say it again.
It's good. That's why I'm eating. Go.
The second thing we're gonna make is this mac and cheese that I added my own twist to.
Just waiting for the pasta to boil. My eyelashes look good today. It's not sponsored.
The secret ingredient is a packet of soup which you can add to the pasta after about 5 minutes of it boiling. It gives a flavor without any effort. When the water boils away, you can add cheese and mix it into the pasta. And that's it. It's that simple. Just add chili flakes and oregano to it, or any other spices you may want.
It smells delicious. I don't like cheese personally, but I invented this mostly for her. A1. The chili flakes just adds chili flavor. I love spicy food. We ate the entire sandwich, now we're not that hungry.
The next thing we're gonna make is this potato dish inspired by a restaurant called Mishmash. Cut up some potatoes and put them to boil along with the skin.
We have to keep it for 10 minutes or till it becomes a little bit soft in between. I want to take some selfies. What the selfies?
If you can't figure out if the potatoes are boiled, just stick a knife in it and see if it's soft. Or just ask your mom. The potatoes should not be overboiled because it has to be fried after. Take the potatoes off the gas once it turns golden. Put some pepper, some salt, and mix it up. And it's done.
This is my favorite. We saw this in a restaurant called Mishmash, and that's why it's called Mishmash potatoes. Look at my hair. Beautiful. Sakat. So good.
This is good.
Next thing we're gonna make is the classic grilled chicken, but on a pan. Cut up your chicken pieces. It can be bone or boneless, but I prefer boneless. Squeeze some lemon into it. Add some salt, chili powder and pepper. The longer you keep it for marination, the better the flavors would be, but as I am lazy, I just keep it for like 15 minutes. Grease a pan with oil and put the chicken on it. You can use coconut oil to make it a healthy option. Cook it for 5 minutes on each side and you can cover it for it to get cooked from the center. The best part about this recipe is that you can use it to cook fish as well.
I'll sing you dance. Okay. 3, 2, 1. She got hips, I got a good form, lot of eyes, I need to have more. I know it's sweet, I like them. Spraya! No, 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 no. My singing is so good.
You can cut open the chicken to check if it's cooked. It should be white on the inside.
Chicken. You can eat it with mayo, or you can eat it as a side with mashed potato or rice. Highly recommend this. The lemon tastes so nice.
Hey, कौन? बताओ. अच्छा है भैया, कौन सी बात है बोल रहा है? नल्ला नल्ला.
The next thing we're going to make is this cupcake that I saw on TikTok. You can use any biscuit you like. We decided to use hide and seek and Oreo cookies. I have tried this hack with Parle G as well. Take 4 to 5 cookies along with 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk and mash it up with a fork. Mash it until it reaches a cake batter consistency and then put it in the microwave for a minute or less.
We'll record a cover photo, okay? What is that? Banana? This is dumb. You're standing with cool things. Okay, you're standing with this. It's like I'm holding Dahlia.
You can decorate it with some cream or sugar. You can also make this cake with water if you're vegan.
I'm a star. It's so moist, you guys, you have no idea. Trigger warning, moist. A1. And I changed my hairstyle. I've eaten so much today.
क्या है?
Cake है.
This was very nice.
You're saying the same thing for everything.
Very very
Switch it
bad.
up. Use new adjectives.
हो गया भाई, हो गया.
The next thing we're gonna make is this healthy oats pudding that I invented. Take a bowl on low flame, put a tablespoon of oats, a tablespoon of Bournvita or cocoa powder, a tablespoon of peanut butter, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk. Mix it up till it reaches a pudding consistency. You can eat it nice and hot.
Number 25. I did this out of necessity because I like eating sweets and I've never tasted it before. I was on a health kick, so I just took things out of my fridge that were healthy and whip this up. It's good, right? And it's like super healthy and has less calories. I think it's just less than 50 calories.
Last.
कोई और बाकी है, मेरा खाना भी हो गया.
Oh. You can say you don't like it if you don't like it.
नहीं नहीं, अच्छा है. कभी कॉम्बिनेशन खाया नहीं है.
What is your favorite?
Potato,
What is your least favorite?
chicken.
This
उसमें
is
दो
really
तरह
healthy, you know. It's like 50 calories.
के. Very nice. मेरा डिनर हो गया.
My favorite was
You can't take so long.
I think the chicken. Because I love chicken.
My favorite was mac and cheese, even though I hate mac and cheese.
No, she hates only cheese.
I need a lot of water after eating all that. Stay hydrated, kids. But this is the outro. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want more content and have any suggestions, let me know down below. Like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you all bitches later. Bye.